the air conditioning unit drain is in underneath there, and it came out to here. So I just told him, cut it. You can see it even a little bit came over here. I just told, I said, don't change the color, don't do anything, just cut it out and get the air conditioning drain fixed, which they did. This all happened 3 months ago. This is where all your electric is. This is CD player. Actually, there's a safe there too. Let's see, there's more. That's just storage over here. I think. Let's see. Oh, there's all the CD player, stereo, and all that stuff. And it feeds out to that TV out there, and there's, we have TV, I keep forgetting where the TVs are. TV, right here, there's a TV, so 3 TVs.
3
out
TVs?
Of the cockpit, one right here and one in the forward. What you're listening to, if it's running right now,
is the air
is in the second air conditioning unit.
Second air conditioning unit?
Second one is in the bow. Under the yeah, 2 16,000 BTU air conditioning units. Oven, stove, okay, 4-burner, electric stove, which comes off of either shore power when you're plugged in like we are now, or the generator. And that's the same running the refrigerator too. So I guess it's time to have that defrosted, huh? So, reasonable amount of storage room. I have no idea what's under here. Storage. What the devil is that? Huh. I don't know what that is. Oh! It's a vacuum cleaner.
Oh, yes.
Built-in vacuum. It's this plugs into that.
Right.
Then you turn a switch on over there. I was trying to figure. Yeah, that's it. So it's built-in vacuum. They definitely tried to make these be a little condominium.
Mm-hmm.
You know, by way of comfort level. The hatches all can open. The hatches have screens on them and shades combination. Plenty of lighting. Yeah, you were asking about where the air conditioning unit is. It's under that berth right over in that corner there. Inner spring mattress, which is nice. Yeah. Feel free to climb up onto it to test it if you want to check for length.
And it's just been
Always
sitting for
climb
2
in
years?
to check for length, huh?
It's been sitting for 2 years?
She was on it. She lived on it for 6 months, so she's been gone a year and a half now. She went back to Chicago when she broke up with her boyfriend.